Hello my people, in this video we will see how to withdraw money from Sportybet to bank account. The first and the most important pass is go to this page, sportybet.com. And next, here, how to withdraw money. First, to withdraw your winnings, simply go to My Account Me and find the withdraw button. Enter the desirable amount to withdraw and click on Withdraw. Your winnings will be immediately sent to your bank account after your confirmation. Are there any fees for withdrawals? All withdrawals are free of charge. What is the usual withdrawal processing time? In normal situation, withdrawal should be processed automatically. Withdrawal may fail due to daily link transfer amount. And well, for more information, refer to account detail in the transaction history area. This is all the process. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. See you next time!